Good morning. Thank you for joining us. This is Shannon at Birdsong Quilting, and we do this little Facebook Live thing every Wednesday morning at 9:15. And have I got some things to show you today? Let's start with the Christmas fabric that I have in front of me and the one hanging on the wall, and then I'll get to a few deals and a special surprise. So Ruth made this up for me really quick before she went on vacation. She'll be back next week. This is Christmas Shimmer. I think I mentioned this. This is from P&B Textiles, and we have the full line. They are various blues. I love this one with the leaves, and I just brought a few back here. I love these ornaments right here. I don't know if I have them, but we have border print. So she made up one of 3 patterns for us, and you can see it. There's 3 different panels that go with this line. So this is one panel, and it says, "Oh Christmas Tree." It is blue and gold metallic, the tree, which is so pretty, and there's a simple border, and then these simple square and square blocks. They go together fast and great. This pattern is by Stacy Day, and it's called Tannenbaum Quilt. So if we can kit this up for you, including the binding, that kit would be $61.47. So if you would like us to kit that up, please call the shop today. This one is called Tannenbaum Quilt. The size is 40 by 52. But I also have some other patterns and some other panels. So the other panel that has the trees, let me hold it up for you. This one has multiple trees. Can you see that? It says, "Oh Holy Night, the stars are brightly shining." I was going to say shining brightly, but they're brightly shining. And again, this panel quilt, this panel has a very similar pattern that has I'm going to hold it up a picture for you, same border and the square and square blocks. So same size, same price. No, this one's a little bit less expensive, $54.05. Not including the backing, but does include the binding. So this is Oh Holy Night, $54. This one is Oh Christmas Tree. That one's $61. And then we have, so let me hold up this panel again. I love it. I can't tell which of these tree panels is my favorite. I do love that tree there. And then we have this panel, which is actually my favorite. This one is a whole panel of blocks. And there are ornaments on the blocks, there are wreaths and animals, and all in the blue and gold and a little bit of red. One of these blocks says Season's Greetings, Merry Christmas. I love this panel here. And this has a free pattern with just a simple star pattern. So this pattern is called Snowfall Quilt, also by Stacy Day. So, and this kit together is $87. So we have all of the fabrics to make up the 3 kits. Christmas Shimmer, this is the Twinkle kit with the multiple trees. The Snowfall Quilt with the little blocks of ornaments and those star patterns. And then the Tannenbaum Quilt here behind you. Again, we've got the whole line in here for you. And if you would like us to kit up one of these quick panels, they would be perfect Christmas gifts. They go together fast, a little hanging. Everybody has room for this in their house, right? If you give it as a gift, it doesn't have to be a big quilt. It's just a nice little Christmas project thinking of you. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Way to go, Lucille Ball.
Thank you. All right, so yeah, the candies. All right, so this is Christmas Shimmer. We have 2 other Christmas lines in, and we're expecting Silent Night from Riley Blake, so don't go buying that anywhere else. We have several kits to make from Silent Night. If any of you all have seen those out there, They have the camel, and I think it's going to be a big hit this Christmas season. I'm expecting it any day. This is Christmas Shimmer. And then I told you I have a special deal for you today, and that is our Quilters chalk kit. So this panel, kind of a little modern the way it's cut up into blocks, almost like a disappearing 9-patch. This panel has lots of nice sayings, from my hands to your heart, friends are like flowers in the garden of life, lots of friendship type sayings, beautiful things come together one stitch at a time, a quilt is a blanket of love. So this is some nice sayings here on this panel. We've got the whole kit in blue, and if you buy the kit, I'll give you the backing for free. It's a great deal. I only have 3 or 4 of these left, but this is a great friendship quilt you could make up. Even just to have the quilt, and then when you had a need, maybe a friend of yours is going to go through some treatments and wants to have a little lap quilt to take with them. This is Quilters Chalk. Buy the kit and get the backing free. Great deal. I also have some other kits out by the front desk that I am offering free backings on as well. So if you stop by the shop, you can kind of see some of those other goodies. And all of those kits that I have by the front desk, I am offering free backing for you. And we picked out some backings that go with those lines of fabric. So this is the deal of the day. Quilters Chalk, free backing. Christmas Shimmer, that's one of our new Christmas lines. And then the special surprise. So I went to Handy Quilter Academy. I go to the retailer version, which you all know. And because I'm the owner, they make me sit through all these self-help and sales classes. But if you go to the Consumer Handy Quilter Academy, you get to actually play on the machines for a whole week. And it's a lot of fun, and they have beginning classes and advanced track classes. But they had a special deal on something they have never sold before. And I've had one in my shop for years now because they were part of the Ruler Club and everybody wanted one. Well, I got us some, and I'm selling them to you. There are not very many, but if you've seen this lunchbox and you want one, you better call the store quick because I have just as many as they would let me take. I had to ship them back. I think they originally came with the Ruler of the Month Club, but they weren't selling them. So I know lots of people might be interested in this lunchbox. So give us a call today and pay for yours if you want one. They're going to go fast. And that's all I have today, folks. So I will see you next Wednesday. We're making up some other samples to show you, and we'll have some other deals and probably another Christmas line to show you next week. Thanks for joining us, and have a great day.
Beautiful. I love that one.
Me too, it's pretty.